Been a number of resource fairs in Talbot County over the years. The Commission on Aging used to host something similar. There was a luncheon we did, a senior appreciation luncheon at Brooklets, and we had vendors there. So this is a little different. We're calling it our first annual senior resource fair. So we'd love to have more in the future. We're just trying to connect seniors with resources in our community.
Yeah, I think when I think about seniors coming out and accessing all the different organizations that are in Talbot County, understanding what's available to them, from anything from healthcare services to issues related to banks or lawyers, transportation, accessing transportation for seniors.
Nonprofit organizations, volunteer organizations, of course the hospital system, home care companies.
Yeah.
A wide range. Yeah, we were trying to get a good cross-section of vendors from different sectors that can support our seniors. You know, we're a rural county. There are resources, but sometimes it's hard to find them. So we were hoping to give the seniors an opportunity to meet the folks that are associated with these organizations, get the information they need. We also have a series of things they can do at the senior fair. We're going to do balance assessments, A1C tests, hepatitis C, HIV, as well as there's a medication disposal box that we'll have on site from the Talbot Sheriff's Department.
Yeah, certainly matching people up with what they need, I think, is a challenge. And honestly, I think the resource guides are so helpful. But as you know, once you print something, it's almost out of date. You know, contacts change for who's at every place. So I think, is more often than not, I think seniors might know that if something exists, but they don't know who to call or how to start. Yeah. And so I think getting people going in the right direction of what's available to them, and put a face with the name is nice.
And when someone's in crisis, if you need a service, you can find that resource guide and you're going to go, and the healthcare section is going to be 50 pages long and it's going to have absolutely everything. And it's so hard to see through that and see what you really need. So we're hoping they can get in front of people, in front of these, organizations that can really share the information they need and connect them with the right ones. I think that this is going to be really great because Talbot County hasn't had an event like this in the future. Our surrounding counties have really successful events they've been doing for many years. We do have a way for people to get transportation. If someone doesn't have any transportation, they can call Delmarva Community Services on their Talbot County number, which is 410-822-4155. And they can request some transportation either with the bus system or the program Mobility on Demand.
For this particular event, we're going to have representation from the Cancer Center, Shore Medical Group, which is the primary care and the physicians, Population Health, and they're going to be doing our A1C testing and advanced directives. The therapy, the rehab department is going to be doing the balance tests and education on balance and fall prevention. So I think this particular event is a nice way to kind of bring people together with the resources that Shore Regional Health has to offer. And again, kind of puts a face with the name. And we're going to be offering lunch is going to be offered that particular day. So catering by Jamie. So he'll be doing the pit beef sandwiches. And so for $10, seniors can buy a meal. So that'll be a nice addition.
Yep. And then the proceeds from the event, we're donating those to 2 nonprofit organizations in the community. We have the Bay 100 Community Volunteers, which is an excellent organization that helps seniors throughout the county. And then the other one will be the Volunteer Fire Department for hosting and taking care of us during the day. So, the event is free for all attendees. And so the small amount of money we've collected from vendors that will be excess, we'll be donating those proceeds.
Yeah, we're so grateful that the fire department has offered to host us, and that's been great. And they're such a nice venue for us. And I think very accessible for seniors to enter the building and exit, and great parking. So all of those things are kind of some of the factors that we go into, that we think about when we're trying to pick a place, is what's accessible to people. So I think that's going to be a nice match.
Yeah.